yes, sir. Let me give one moment.
Yeah,
Let me introduce you, sir.
yeah,
Sir, your camera is off now. Okay, okay, no issue. Uh, on the behalf of SVTM, NMIMS, MPSTME, CTM, it's my great pleasure to introduce our next speaker in FTT 2026, Dr. Nimesh Kankariya. He is the Director of Textiles and Material Research Limited, TexMat Research, New Zealand. With extensive experience across both industry and academia in the field of smarts and functional textiles. His work span corporation textiles, medical textiles, sports, with the strong focus on translating research into the practical applications. He has worked extensively in academic and research environment, including Auckland University of Technology, University of Otago, New Zealand, the Hong Kong Polytechnic University of Hong Kong, and Indian Institute of Technology, New Delhi, India, as well as in the industry-focused research role, notably in Ulchemi, New Zealand Limited. Dr. Kankariya holds a PhD in Material Science and Technology, especially clothing and textile science from the University of Otago, New Zealand, and his doctoral research on textiles and compression of the lower limb was recognized on the Sciences Divisional list of the exceptional doctoral thesis. He also holds a Master of Technology MTech in Fiber Science and Technology from IIT Delhi, India. We know, sir, you are busy, but we believe that your 30 minutes commitment will have a significant impact on us. Thank you very much, and over to you, sir. Please.
thank you so much. It was the nice introduction. Thank you so much. Good afternoon and good evening, everyone. And I would like to begin my expressing my sincere thanks to the conference organizers for their kind invitation to speak at this conference. I also extend my appreciation to all those who have contributed to the organizing this event and for bringing together the researchers and professional working in this important field. And it is a pleasure to be here today and to share some perspectives on the evolving landscape of technical textiles, particularly focusing on research trends and future directions in this rapidly developing area. And it is always a pleasure to engage with the community. This is actively shaping the future of this field. So, if we consider the textile sector today, it is evident that the role of textiles is undergoing a significant transformation. Traditionally, the textiles were primarily associated with clothing and just basic functional uses like protection and comfort. However, over the past 2 decades, this perception has changed considerably. Uh, Today, the technical textiles are widely utilized across a range of sectors like healthcare sectors, medical sectors, construction, transportation, environmental protection, even in the space technology and advanced engineering application. And this expansion across diverse industries clearly demonstrates how the textiles have moved beyond the traditional boundaries and now are integral to modern technological system. Or in other words, the focus is gradually shifting from conventional textile production towards the innovation driven or the application oriented development. To better understand how this transformation is reflected at a global level and how research in technical textiles and emerging textile technologies have has evolved over the past 2 decades. A bibliometric analysis using structured keywords queries covering topics such as technical textiles, smart and functional textiles, emerging technologies, including the optical fiber, textile sensors, nanofibers, conductive textiles. and more recently the artificial intelligence application. A data set of research publication from 2005 to 2025 restricted to only English language was carried out. And if we now look at the publication trend shown here, you can see the graph. An interesting pattern emerges. During the initial year, like around 2005 to approximately 2011, a number of publications shows a slight decline. However, beyond this period, after 2011, there is a clear and sustained increase in research outputs, which becomes particularly pronounced over the past decades. And this trend indicates a growing level of interest from both like academia and industry, and highlighting the increasing importance of technical textiles as a research and innovation domain. Beyond this growth trend, it is important to consider what this increase in research activity represents. This reflects a deeper transformation in how textiles are conceptualized nowadays. In the past, the textiles were largely regarded as a passive materials with limited functionality. Today, however, they are increasingly being engineered as a active, responsive, multifunctional system capable of performing the complex tasks. This transformation is closely linked to advances in underlying material system and integrated technology, which are enabling the textiles to move beyond the passive functionality. And as a result, the textiles are no longer designed solely for the structural purposes, but also for like sensing and monitoring and interaction with their environment. The another interesting insight from the graph analysis is the distribution of research across different scientific disciplines. So, the material science and engineering together account for nearly half of all research publications in the technical textiles. And this clearly indicates that the technical textiles is driven by the convergence of textile engineering with advanced material science and fiber technology. And for instance, the recent developments in wearable health monitoring system, which demonstrate how textile based solutions are being integrated into the garments to track the physiological parameters, which offers significant potential for preventive like healthcare. In this way, the technical textiles are becoming highly interdisciplinary, combining the knowledge from multiple scientific domain like engineering, material science, fiber technology, and electronics, and multiple. If we now look at the global distribution of the research output, we can observe a competitive international landscape. Countries like China and USA currently lead in the terms of total research publications. Their leadership reflects long-term investment in scientific infrastructure, innovation ecosystem, and interdisciplinary collaboration. However, it is encouraging to see that India has also emerged as a significant contributor to this global research in technical textile alongside countries such as United Kingdom and Germany. This trend is particularly important because it shows that India is not only a manufacturing hub but is also developing a strong research foundation in advanced textile technology. However, the next major challenge for India will be to translate the research output into the industrial innovation, patents, and globally competitive product. By strengthening the connection between the research institution and industry, India can bridge the gap between raw material production and high value technological expert, because India is only already uh, integrating the textile value chain, often described like 5F visions, like farm to fiber, fiber to fabric, fabric to process, to foreign markets. Another important development in recent year is the growing role of artificial intelligence in textile research and development. When we examine the publication trend, a noticeable increase in AI related research can be observed, particularly after 2019, with further acceleration in the recent years. Artificial intelligence is being applied in several areas, including the prediction of materials behavior, optimization of textile structures, and analysis of data generated from variable system. At this point, I would like to relate this study to my own research area, which focus on the compression textiles. So, in my own research, I have been particularly interested in addressing the key challenges in compression textiles, including like precise pressure distribution, material optimization, and the complex interaction between the textile structure and the human body. Compression textiles are widely used in the medical and sportswear applications, for example, to improve the blood circulation, support the muscle recovery, and manage the certain health condition. And their effectiveness depends on critically on the ability to deliver the controlled and consistent pressure across the different parts of the body, which is influenced by the fabric properties, fiber properties, garment design, and the fit, and of course of the human dimension, body dimension. However, the achieving this level of precision remain a challenge due to the variation in the body shape, movement, and the dynamic behavior of the textile materials during use. In this context, recent development shows a clear shift towards more intelligent system. For instance, like studies have demonstrated the integration of textile-based sensors into the garment for real-time monitoring, as well as the use of data-driven approaches to optimize the compression performance and personal garment design. So, looking ahead, this is a strong potential for development of intelligent compression textiles where sensing, data analysis, and advanced manufacturing are combined to enable the responsive and adaptive performance. But what are the challenges? Despite these exciting developments, there are number of challenges which are still need to be addressed. First one is like electronic components which are integrated into the textile structures must be able to withstand the repeated washing and long term mechanical stress. The sensors which are embedded within the textile fabric or the garment must maintain the accuracy even when the material is stretched or compressed. Another one is the power supply, which is the another challenge, which has led to growing research into the textile batteries and energy harvesting technology. So finally, the sustainability is the key concern as electronic component become the integrated into the textile products. So finally, I will conclude like technical textiles are experiencing rapid growth both in terms of research activity and practical applications. And the technical textile field is clearly moving from conventional textile production towards advanced, functional, and intelligent system. This transformation is being driven by
Yeah, thank you, sir,
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your given
for excellent presentation on the futuristic trends in technical textiles. Sir, we have some. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, the forum is open for question and answer session. Students, if you have any questions, about this topic? You can raise your hands, please. No question. Sir, I'm having one question regard this trends and future innovation about technical textile. Sir, how you see the introduction of AI in technical textile will help to improve the productivity as well as production with respect to technical textiles? Sir, I am audible? Nimesh sir, your voice. Hello? Hello, Nimesh sir.
Yeah,
I'm audible, sir.
yeah, yeah,
Sir, I have one question.
yeah.
Uh, the introduction of AI in technical textile, how the AI will help to improve the productivity as well as production with respect to technical textiles?
First of all, like AI is nowadays very prominent. Is after 2019, it's increasing. So, like if we do have a textile chain complete, like from yarn manufacturing to fabric and then garment, then first of all it's the fabric defect, so where we can introduce the AI system to identify and detect the fabric defects and remove it at the very initial level. So and after that, when the fabric goes to the garment level, then we further introduce the AI for, like if we are introducing some kind of sensing technology or for analyzing the data, so AI can help in that for increasing the accuracy and for analyzing the data quickly. So in this way, like I have went through few papers, few research papers. They are introducing the AI, means for the data analysis basically, but fabric defects is the another area, and another area like we can use like how much uh, coating. If we are doing some kind of coating, then AI can decide quickly how much coating to reduce the cost to increase the efficacy or effectiveness. So these are the areas where means researchers are doing work nowadays, as per my search on the Scoop database.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir. Any other question or?
No, sir. So all the
Thank you so
participants.
much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. All the participation in the panel at International Conference on Futuristic Trends in Textile FTT 2026 was truly appreciated. The perspective of yours shared on technical textiles and trends of future in innovations so added to the great depth of the discussions and resonating strongly with our audience. So once again, thank you, sir, Dr. Nimesh Kankariya, for the speaking of our events. Your insights and spark and your dialogues, your meaning